To me, from the objective facts, that he claims to have brought down Jackie Selebi and of course Radovan Krejcir and others. But do you know whether he was a witness in any of those cases? Or
according to me, sir, he wasn't a witness in any of these cases, and he's not a policeman.
Is he a witness in the two criminal cases you referred to that General Pashlani is facing?
Certainly not, sir. Certainly not.
So what can one infer from that? What is his modus operandi? What's his, obviously in English, what is the way, how does he operate?
Well, we call it COA, Center of Attention. He's always the main man. Like some people say, everyone's a hero in their own story, but he a bit more. Yeah.